Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Subaru XV Crosstrek. This Crosstrek is featured in the 2.0i trim with a silver paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, a power sunroof, Bluetooth audio with hands-free technology, our all-wheel drive system, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power mirror controls, our power locks as well as rear window locks, power window controls, as well as some storage and a speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside, just to the left of the steering wheel, is our SRF off button, our lighting controls for our display cluster, and our traction control button. You can see the front of the vehicle here. Both our seats are finished in our black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free settings, as well as our information settings. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings. Moving above our infotainment system, we have our information system. You can see it gives various vehicle information as well as our clock, current temperature, and our fuel range. Controls for that, as well as our hazard lights, are just below. We have our touchscreen infotainment system with our Sirius XM, HD radio. If we click our apps, we can see we also have AHA, Pandora, and Starlink. You can see we have phone as well as some additional settings. If we put the vehicle in reverse, we can also see our backup camera with our guidelines. Below that is our climate control settings. Push to start ignition to the left. Have a storage space with a 12-volt plug. Shifter in the center. Our center console with our 2 cup holders. Heated front passenger and driver seats. You can also see our keys here. We have our Subaru key, our locks, unlocks, remote trunk release, and alarm system, as well as our Compustar 2-way system. We can see we also have our locks, unlocks, as well as a remote start system. Opening into the center console, we can lift up and we can see inside a USB, an aux, a 12-volt plug, and some storage. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our lane keep assist, forward collision alert, lighting controls, controls for our power sunroof, and lastly, our power sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now moving down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we currently have our summer tires on the vehicle, but it does come with a set of winter tires. Black alloy rims with Subaru center caps on the summer tires. Moving out, we have paint match finish mirrors, as well as paint match finishes on both of our door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have all of our badging in chrome, a spoiler on top of the window, rear wiper blades. Opening into the back of the vehicle, handle is in the center, backup camera on the left-hand side. Inside the back of the vehicle, we can see we have an all-weather mat, as well as 60/40 folding second row seating. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as a cup holder in the bottom of the door. Moving into the vehicle, in the back of the passenger seat is a storage compartment. In our center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. And in the back of the vehicle, we have 3 seats, all finished in our black cloth in a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.